Most home care agency owners are tracking the wrong marketing KPI. They are tracking visits, calls, follow up, brochures. And here's my question: what did all these activities that you are tracking, what did it produce? And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 marketing KPI that you need to keep track of. Those 3 marketing KPIs, they're going to tell you exactly whether or not your marketing is working, because being busy doing all these activities is totally different than actually getting the results that you're looking for. I am Denis. I have trained over 1,000 home care agency owners when it comes to growing, marketing, scaling their marketing agency. And one of the biggest mistakes that I've seen is they are tracking the wrong marketing activities. I'm not telling you not to track those activities, but there's more important things for you to track. So I'm thinking right now, one of my clients came to me and said, Sue, I just reviewed the report with my marketer. The report looks good. He's doing all of those things. He's going out there to visit. He's doing face-to-face visit. He's following up. He's dropping brochures. He's doing in-service. He's doing lunch. He's doing all of those things. But we're not getting results. We're barely getting referrals. We're getting 1 to 2 referrals. Of course, she was looking at the visits. She was looking at the follow-up. She was looking how many referrals she was getting. But there's a bigger picture that she wasn't looking. And my recommendation to her on the numbers, that the KPIs that she needs to look at, are the following. And this is the same thing that I want you to do too. The number 1 KPI that I recommended to keep track of is the referral source conversion rate. You can go ahead and write that down. You can write it in the comment. Referral source conversion rate, right? So what does this tell you? This number tells you, like, all the referrals that you are actively marketing to, how many of them are actually sending you referrals, right? So let's say your marketer is marketing to 50 different referral sources: elder laws, hospital, rehab, senior care center, whatever your referral sources are. Out of those 50, let's say 10 of them send you a referral during the time frame that you looking at this report. Now, once you divide 10 divided by 50, that will give you your conversion rate. So what is 10 divided by 50? Will be 20%. So that will be your conversion rate. 20% of the referral sources relationship that your marketer is actively marketing to are actually producing referrals. When you know this, this is a game changer, because now you can ask better questions. That's one thing my husband always tell me. When you ask better questions, you get better answers. And when you get better answers, now you can optimize the right thing in your agency and get the results that you need to get. So better question will be, hey, what are we doing differently with those 10? Why are they producing? What is something that we do differently that is making them produce those referrals, right? Who are they? What if all those referrals came from 10 assisted living facilities? Then that means maybe you need to on more assisted facilities. So once you know, those answers can help you strategize better and optimize better, instead of you just doing things just for doing. The second KPI that you need to keep in mind is referral to client conversion rate. You can write that down in the comment or in your notebook. Referral to client conversion rate. So what is that? Is that how many of those referrals actually become paying clients? Because as we all know, not every referrals are gonna become a paying client. Let's say you receive 20 referrals and only 5 of them became paying client. So now you'll divide 5 divided by 20. I believe that's 25%. So now you will know that, and now you can ask questions. What happened with the 15 other who didn't convert? Were they even good leads? Were they qualified? Could they afford the price? Did we follow up? So those things can help you understand what's going on. And that way, again, once you know what's going on, you can optimize better of what's going on. And then the third one is revenue generated by referral sources. That's really important that you know how much revenue that you generate from the referral sources. That's something that is important for you to do. So now, this is my homework for you. I want you to do this. Is the 30-day test, right? 30-day challenge test that I want you to do. I want you to go ahead, pull out your numbers and see what are your numbers over the last month. All of those things. What are the numbers that you have over the last month for your agency? And then based on those numbers, then that way you can make some assessment, right? You can look at, hey, how many facility visits, how many emails, how many follow-up networking event. But again, we're not just doing those numbers. Remember, we're going to do the three numbers that I showed you: the referral source conversion rate, right? The referral to client conversion rate, and the revenue generated by referral source. So now, once you look at those numbers, you'll have a better picture of what's going on in your agency, and you can see what you need to optimize in your agency. And let's say you find out, hey, the referral sources are referring. Your issue may be that you have a positioning problem or you have a relationship problem, right? If your referrals are coming but they are not turning into clients, so then you have a qualification problem, response time problem, a sales problem, or a follow-up problem. If certain referral sources aren't really turning into good business, then you may be spending your time, your marketer may be spending time in the wrong place. So different problems, you're gonna have different solution. And if you're listening to this and you're like, Sue, we're doing all of these things, but we're not getting enough movement from the marketing that we're doing, from all the activities, that's exactly why I created the authority-based marketing workshop. This workshop is for home care agency owners as well as home health agency owners. You are tired, you're ready to stop relying on just permission-based marketing, and you're ready to start becoming the recognized authority in your local market. So over 3 days, I'm going to show you how to shift from doing all these activities and not really getting results, and how to shift from chasing the attention for you to become the authority in your market. So on day one, what we're gonna focus on is the authority shift. To look at how you or your marketer is currently positioning yourself, and how to begin to shift that from permission based to authority. The second day, we're gonna do your strategic narrative. So we're going to work on your agency. How do you actually say so you can stop sounding like every other agency? And the last day is authority conversation. We're going to change the way you approach referral sources, families, and community partners. So that's really important. So the workshop is over 3 days, is 2 hours a day in the evening after you're done working in your agency. The workshop is virtual, 2 hours a day each day after you're done working in your agency in the evening. So then you can come and get the knowledge that you need. So that's how we do in the workshop. You can click on the first link below. Then you'll find the link to register for the workshop, the authority-based marketing workshop. So that way your marketer can stop being busy and actually start doing the right activities that has the potential of giving them better results. And then also it's time for us to start tracking the key numbers so we can exactly know what is the marketing is actually producing. I can't wait to see you at the workshop. If I don't see you at the workshop, I'll see you at the next episode.